Hello everybody, in this video we are going to learn the congruency of triangle. Last video I have explained you what are the congruent figure, right? In this videos we are going to learn congruency of triangle. So two triangles are congruent if pair of corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal, right? So two triangles are said to be congruent if their corresponding angles as well as their corresponding sides are equal to the another triangle. So here I have taken two triangle. You can see here triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So let me explain you first what are the corresponding sides and corresponding angles. So in triangle ABC, we know that this is a vertex, vertex A, vertex B, vertex C here, and in this triangle vertex D, vertex E, and vertex X. So if I see here, so corresponding vertex. So we can see here in triangle ABC, vertex A is correspond to vertex D. Vertex A is correspond to vertex D, right? And vertex B is correspond to vertex E, and vertex C is correspond to vertex F. So these are called corresponding vertices of two triangles. In the same way, we can say here side AB and correspond to side DE, then BC correspond to side EF, and side AC correspond to side DF. So these are the corresponding vertices in these two triangles. We can see here these are the sides of the corresponding sides. These are corresponding sides. And one more thing, let me tell you what are the corresponding angles. So angle A correspond to angle D, and angle B correspond to angle E, and then angle C correspond to angle F. So these are corresponding vertices. These are corresponding sides, and these are corresponding angles, right? So to understand the congruency of triangles, these three things are very important to understand. What are the corresponding sides, what are the corresponding vertices. Now you can see that what are the corresponding side as well as what are the corresponding vertices. These are very important to understand, so that only you can understand the congruency of triangle. Okay, so angle A correspond to angle D, angle B correspond to angle E, angle C correspond to angle F. In same way, side AB correspond to side DE, side BC correspond to side EF, and side AC correspond to side DF. You can see here, right? Okay, so in definition already it is given that the corresponding side as well as corresponding angles are equal, then they are said to be congruent. So if here angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F, and corresponding sides here, if AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF, then only we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to, this is the symbol of congruent. Look at this. This is the symbol of congruency, right? So if two triangles are congruent, then we will apply this symbol in between these two triangles. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Look at this. We will read this as triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF, right? So there is total 4 criteria through which we can say that the given two triangles are congruent or not. So let's know what are that 4 criteria. Okay, So I'm giving you the 4 criteria. The first is SSS congruency rule. So let's understand what is SSS congruency rule. SSS means we can say this is side and side congruency rule. So if there is two triangle, right, triangle ABC and triangle here given DEF, suppose, right? So side AB is equal to side DE, side BC is equal to side EF, and side AC is equal to side DF, right? So we can say here, or we can see here, AB is equal to DE, right? And BC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF. So what we can say is the sides of the first triangle ABC, the corresponding side of triangle ABC is equal to corresponding sides of triangle DEF. So all these three sides are equal to their corresponding side. So we can say that according to SS congruency rule, they are congruent, right? So if there is two triangles having corresponding side equal, then they must be a congruent triangle. Now they are said to be congruent triangle, and this can be written as triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Okay. So this was the first criteria. Let's know about the second criteria.